Meet Mr. Dayo Israel at 2020 Law Foundation and Odi-Olowo Edu-Sphere Empowerment Program. Mr. Dayo Israel is a renowned polymath, an advisor to government, an international speaker, and also a preacher. He is also a globally recognized personality with over 15 years of professional experience in international development, having worked with organizations such as the United Nations, British Council, Save the Children UK, UNICEF, and in other various capacities. He was selected by the United Nations to represent all delegates to the United Nations General Assembly Special Session on Children, or the special CNN live interview in 2002. He was specially invited by Queen Elizabeth II and the Duke of Edinburgh to a private reception at Buckingham Palace as a result of his contribution to African diaspora development. The only ever recipient of the Young Person Earnestly Working for Africa Power Award at the office of the Mayor of London. He was also invited by the Obama administration to the White House President Forum for Young African Leaders in Washington, D.C. An alumnus of the United States Department International Visitors Leadership Program that has produced over 400 heads of government globally. He is currently a permanent board member of the Lagos State Education Board, LASUBEB. Reporting, Mr. Yusuf for my Naija TV.